AI is not local.
Yeah. Okay, so we a little time into it, we figured we'd try to figure out something to bring you. We really couldn't figure out nothing, so that's the best we could do.
Oh my God!
Wow. Both of you. Come here, both of you. Come here. I can't even mess up my whole damn video because I didn't even get it. I didn't even get that in the video.
It's finally here. Been waiting since past last year Christmas.
Amir opening his Christmas gift. That finally arrived months later. What is this? PlayStation what?
PS5.
Oh, it's called a PS5. And we got the remote forever ago. So how many remotes do you have total?
One comes with the PS5 and this one you bought, so two.
So does this game play with all the other games still online?
Yeah.
Okay.
They don't play with the other PS4 games, though, do it. The disc.
Yeah, I do.
I'm talking about the disc.
Oh, the disc now.
But you can play with people.
Yeah.
No matter what PlayStation they have.
It don't matter which console you have, it really only matters of the game.
That bad boy looks crispy. Let me see. Okay. Can you open that box or you need help?
I gotta open that list.
What's that one? A charger?
Yeah.
I'm hungry. I just ate 2 eggs and a cup of coffee. A charger, not different? So you're gonna take down the other PlayStation?
No.
The one that's in the room. You're gonna have both?
Yep.
You don't have to open the game. Is there room on the little thing to put both PlayStation?
No.
So where are you gonna
I
put
think
this?
this one can go on the floor though.
On the floor, so you could tear it up.
You can't help but one it to the TV at a time.
Why you're not facing me? I'm making a video. You're facing the wall. What is that? The other remote?
Yep.
I like the white. It's pretty. What is that?
Still don't know what this is.
Maybe part of the stand for the PlayStation?
I think so.
I think so. That stands up one.
This boy better start giving me some good YouTube content for his channel. Tell you, you need to retire Sylvester myself. Right, Amir? Yeah, right. You need help? Why didn't you ask Daddy to help you? There you go. How excited are you?
Very, very.
What y'all like about these things so much? Aren't a game? No? What's so different about this one than the other one? I don't understand.
The amount of space it could hold, the new games that you could only play on this one, and the quality.
Oh. So you
It's
can
like
record.
the same thing with the new phone. You say that what's the difference, but when you get it, it's a whole big difference.
You ain't get no phone no time soon.
I know. And I got me a PS5 though.
Where's your contacts? You took them out last night?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you and your daddy could go put it up.
Online Turk AI found local.
Oh no. Duck. Duck.